Welcome to Quick Coding Tips. Today we're solving a common programming challenge. Let's start by understanding the problem. What are the differences between a hash map and a hash table in Java? Which is more efficient for non-threaded applications? Here's the solution. There are several differences between span style color red, hash map span and span style color red, hash table span in Java. Span style color red, hash table span is synchronized, whereas span style color red, hash map span is not. This makes span style color red, hash map span better for non-threaded applications, as unsynchronized objects typically perform better than synchronized ones. Span style color red, hash table span does not allow span style color red, null span keys or values. Span style color red, hash map span allows one span style color red, null span key and any number of span style color red, null span values. One of HashMap's subclasses is span style color red, linked HashMap span. So in the event that you'd want predictable iteration order, which is insertion order by default, you could easily swap out the span style color red, HashMap span for a span style color red, linked HashMap span. This wouldn't be as easy if you were using span style color red, hash table span. Since synchronization is not an issue for you, I'd recommend span style color red, hash map span. If synchronization becomes an issue, you may also look at span style color red, concurrent hash map span. This approach is efficient and follows best practices. Thanks for watching Quick Coding Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more programming tips.